Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials: email, phone, and any recent password you remember. Open the Steam client or go to Steam support. Choose the I can't sign in flow. This moves you immediately into recovery. Once done, enter the email address or phone number tied to the account because that triggers the verification options. Make sure to check junk mail and your phone for codes. This step starts the secure handoff to Steam and prevents wasted attempts with incorrect. You now verify ownership. Pick the fastest option presented: email code, SMS, or the Steam Guard mobile authenticator. If you no longer control the listed email, choose the I no longer have access to this email link. Steam will request additional proof. Provide specifics like account name, date of last login, and any purchase or transaction ID to strengthen your case. These details help Steam match your claim to records. Be precise. The clearer your info, the quicker the restore. Once Steam accepts your proof, follow the emailed link to reset your password and immediately enable Steam Guard for future security. If the automated steps fail, submit a support ticket with screenshots, proof of purchase, and a clear timeline. Include order numbers or credit card last 4 digits if available. If you don't hear back, check spam and try other devices or browsers. Sometimes session cookies block recovery flows. If still stalled, wait 24 hours and respond promptly to any support follow-ups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.